How to plant spring onions. Hello and welcome to Video Jug. We are at Capel Manor College in Greater London. Head of Horticulture and Landscaping Tom Cole is going to show us how to plant spring onions. Spring onions can be bought from seed and should be sown in the growing season between spring and autumn,
according to the instructions on the packet.
For more harvesting tips, see Video Jug's How to Harvest Spring Onions.
Step 1. You will need seeds, a garden hoe, a plant cane or something similar, a plank of wood, a frame, and horticultural fleece. These can be bought from any good garden centre. A garden fork, a metal rake, a stake and string, a landscape rake. It is also useful to have plant labels.
Step 2. Prepare the site. Spring onions should be planted in sunny or partially shaded sites that are sheltered from the wind. Loosen the soil with a fork and remove any weeds or large stones. Use a rake to create a level surface. If you have poor soil, you may want to add well-rotted organic matter before you start sowing. Use the head of the rake to lightly press down the soil and lightly rake the surface once more.
Step 3. Plant.
Spring onions should be planted in shallow rows called drills. Lay a piece of string on the soil as a guide. This will make sure you dig the row in a straight line.
Lay a plank of wood next to your line. Then use a cane to dig a narrow drill
to about 1.5 centimetres deep. Drop the seeds into the drills at the spacing recommended on the packet. If you are planting more than one drill, leave a 30 centimetre gap between each one.
Using a hoe, gently cover the seeds with soil. Then, using the head of the metal rake, lightly firm the soil.
Step 4. Water.
If the soil is dry, water the seeds in.
The soil should be kept moist and free of weeds throughout the growing season. It is also useful to label your spring onions so that you know where and when they were planted. Step 5. Protect. To protect your plants from late frosts in spring,
build a frame to cover the drills.
Push the sides of the fabric into the soil or fix it in place with canes. Remove the fleece when the seeds germinate and the plants are visible through the soil. Done.